Hello guys, it's me. I'm back. I'm sitting on my bed. So, I'm going to be showing you a room tour. This is basically just the place I film my videos, but it's also my room where I film my videos. That was dumb. Okay, so I have a lot of stuff, and I cleaned my room for you. I cleaned my room. I just got home, and I gotta film this video quick because I have to go to a restaurant for my brother because it's his birthday tomorrow. So literally, I'm gonna do a room tour right before I have to go to a restaurant. Let's see how this goes. Let's get into the. So first, we have my bed. I was just sitting there. It's a little messy. So we have my bed. My nightstand is right there. Got a picture of me, my grandpa, a book, and there's a lot of stuff. Oh, there's also pictures of me and my friends. This is my dog. His name's Charles. He's my little snuggle buddy. He stays here. Oh, that's also the camera, like little pack that I have this camera in. I'm just gonna set this down here. Next, we have my wall of pictures that I have done over the years. So first, I painted that. I thought it was really cute. I painted that. When I was like 7, I was obsessed with these. Oh, there's a picture of me. What's this picture? It's another picture of me with my stuffies. That's a picture of me and Panda. Look. That is another one. Here's a picture of me in a book. Ooh, fell. Here's a picture of me, just me. Oh, that's from 4th grade. I'm in 5th grade. Holy crap. That's another picture of me. Okay. Oh, this is from swimming lessons. I'm gonna be on level 4. That's my teacher's name. Yep. Here's a cat poster. Cat poster. Just random things that I did. I didn't paint it. I drew that when I was like 5. And I love it. Like, I just drew dots. I'm falling. Okay. Sorry. I'm really clumsy. These used to be just dots, and then I traced them, and they came out like that. And I was like, it's a snake man. It's a snake man. I was like, I am proud. It was supposed to be a volcano with magma, but I don't know. Okay, so here's more. I was obsessed with these things. Here's another one. Here's another one. I drew these at VBS. Then I painted that. And there's me. It's a little mirror. Hello. You guys never see the camera because, I mean, it's kind of impossible. Unless there's a mirror, which there is. Hello. I'm standing on my bed. Hello. Okay, so down here. Okay, so here's my stuffy basket. And here's another painting that I painted. It's a little fox. And then there's a Pokemon card. Here's just a pile of books. Oh, here's a memories book. Look at this. There's me. Oh, if you guys watched my if you watched my let me think. My drawing my pets as humans video. That's my cat. I couldn't find a picture of him. There's me with my dog, Charles. That's me with my cat, Goose. He's right there. That's me behind my lights over there. So let's put that back. So, sorry. Funko Pops. That. Okay. So I have a lot. Oh my gosh, my bookshelf is messy. Oh my. There's a lot of candy over here. There's my safe. We don't look in that safe. There's private things. Okay. So here is my radio that I listen to music on, country music. I'm not allowed to play any because that would be copyright. I'm sorry. And I don't know how to bleep that stuff out, so. And there's a pixie stick. There's other stuff. So yeah. Oh, that's also a set. Here, let me show you this. So this is a set that I made from outside when I was really... That's a knife. I'm weird, okay. I'm obsessed with knives. Here's another knife that I made from a carving knife. Here's a slingshot I made. There, band fell off. And then here's something I was going to make into a knife. And then this is, I don't know. We'll just leave all that there and wait for me to clean it up later. This is another thing. It's just a bunch of books. There's stuff under this bed. This is a guest bed. It's a guest bed for my friends. Oh, it's really messy. There's a lot of stuff on here. There's 2 dolls. Then there's other stuff. This is a doll box. Except this is on it. Then there's the vacation stuff that I use for vacation. Here's my desk. I'll tell you a story of this later. And then here's more dolls. And then a box. And then a frozen growth chart. I got that when I was like 7 or 6. Don't judge. Then there's stuff. I'm obsessed with Paris. I want to go there one day, so Paris poster. It was only $4 at the thrift store. Then you zoom out. There's the light that was in the picture over there. Ta-da. Oh, more of the, it's a pushy. And then medals of my achievements. A hanger from my brother's room that he gave me. A really cringy photo of me when I was in 4th grade. I did a retake. Okay. These are some gemstones that I found. Like, we went gemstone mining. And it was really cool. And I found gemstones. I'll make a video on that. Remind me to do that. I don't know if you can. I can't do. These are just clothes on the floor beside my door. I don't know. I just put them there. There's some more clothes that I need to put away. What just fell? Like, I'm hearing noises and I'm like, oh my gosh. This is more clothes I need to put away. Those are dirty clothes. What is going on? There's my clock. There's my... Yeah. Can you stop moving? What is... Stay like that. Okay. So then there's my closet. We don't go in that closet. We don't go there. And that is basically the whole room. Oh, there's my curtains. Hello. So this is basically my whole room. I'm never doing a house tour. Privacy reasons. I may do it. This was fun. Yeah, this was fun. Maybe I'll go through my stuff. Yeah, let's do that. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Now you know what my room looks like. There you go, if you ever wanted to know that. It's a weird thing to wonder. Goodbye, my little choco chips.